Okay, number 2 is asking what information is necessary to prove two triangles are similar by the SAS similarity theorem. So I want to prove two triangles are similar by the SAS similarity theorem. So what does SAS similarity theorem mean? Well, it means it's side angle side, right? So this guy here is different from what we had before. Our question was side side side. This one here is side. S here stands for angle, and then it's side, right? So I'm going to have a side 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 similarity theorem. And what does that mean in the first place? And let me kind of write down the formal definition of this theorem here. So it says if an angle of one triangle is congruent, so the same, to the corresponding angle of another triangle, and the lengths are proportional, so plus the lengths of that was a bad plus lengths of these sides are proportional, triangle is similar. So what does that mean? So when we look at these two triangles here, and they kind of drew this out already, which is great, but I'm going to draw it out again. So I'm going to draw a triangle here and maybe a smaller triangle here. And what it means here is that if I have this triangle ABC, so ABC, so there's angle and then DEF. It's asking us if I have an angle between A and B, this or angle B here. If angle B equals angle E here, and if these two sides, if the two sides here, A and B and D and E are proportional, so if I can say here that A and B, if A and B over B and C, over B over C here, equals DE over EF here, or you can say, you can flip this and the reciprocal will be true, then these two triangles are similar, right? So therefore, if I'm asking us if these angles are the same and I want the sides to be the same, I need these two pieces of information to be true to prove similarity. So these two things are the answer here to prove similarity using, writing's not that great today, sorry, using SAS theorem. So let's look at the answer here. And it says here side angle side, which is good. Two triangles would be similar if they're able to show that two sides of the triangle ABC are proportional to two sides of the triangle DEF. So then ABC would be similar to DEF, right? So we can say that if we have ABDE, so AB over DE equals BC over EF here. And this is what I have as well, right? Then we could surely say that the angle, that the triangle ABC is similar to DEF here. So this here is correct. So this solution here is correct. And again, they use the two sides here, AB and DE, and BC and EF here, or technically the four sides, but both sides are proportional to each other, and the angles here are the same. So this solution here is correct. Good analysis as well.